In this video, we're going to take a look at a product called the Collector. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my review playlist. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. So what exactly is the Collector? So this is a product put out by John Newman, and it's video training on how to do affiliate marketing. Now again, does affiliate marketing really work? I mean, can you actually make money doing affiliate marketing? Some people don't think that you can, but this exact training in here that he's going to teach you is the exact business model that I use myself because we've been trained by the same mentors. So yeah, this stuff really works, guys. So it's a training worth picking up. Now, what's cool about this training is that he's going to show you all of the mistakes that he learned so you don't have to make them as well. So he has been doing this since 2014, and so that's 6 years worth of failing. I mean, he probably didn't fail for the whole entire 6 years of that, but just to say that's experience gain that you can use and learn from him to start learning how to make some commissions online right now. Okay guys, before we get started, I just want to mention that if you're watching this video today, this product has not launched yet, okay? If you're watching this video today, this product is launching on Tuesday, June the 30th. Okay, so you can go ahead and click these buttons. So it'll take you to the sales page so you can check it out. So once you go to the sales page and you read everything and you check it out, but you can't buy it yet because you can see there's no buy now button yet because it's not live. But you could still get on the early bird list if you want to. That's up to you. But yeah, so I just wanted to make note of that, guys. So right now this is not live, but I wanted to do this early so I can have it up for you guys. So it's going to end on Thursday, July the 2nd. So remember, Tuesday, June the 30th, okay? And my countdown timer here is going to show when the launch ends, okay? So this will be at 0 when the launch ends. So this is going for 3 days, so make sure this is live so you can lock in my bonuses that I'm going to show you at the end of this video. And all you have to do once you get on my bonus page, which is in the description under this video, right? Just click here to get the Collector now. Click any one of these blue buttons and we'll come back to this bonus page in a minute. Okay, so before we continue on this sales page here, I want to show you something right quick, some of my earnings, because I'm doing the exact same business model or plan and training that he's going to show you in this course right here. Like I said, because we've been taught by the same mentors. So I use 3 different affiliate marketing platforms to earn some commissions from, which is JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the newest one I just started using is Pay Kickstart. I've been on this one for a while, but I just started using it again. So as you can see, guys, you can generate some really good commissions doing affiliate marketing, and here's some proof right here. See, I'm promoting this product called Create Studio right now. And I want to show you something. I want to take you on YouTube because all of my sales right now are coming from YouTube, which is taught in this training, okay? It's going to teach you how to rank your videos. It's going to teach you all about the business model. So you're going to learn all of that in here. So I want to show you. Let's go to YouTube right quick. And I just want to show you something that you need to be aware of. When you start doing this business model and you start getting rankings for your YouTube videos, you want to make sure that you know where you're actually ranking at, okay? And there's a couple of things that you can look at, but this is one way that I do it to know where my video is actually ranking. So when I'm on YouTube, I want to search for the video, right? So I'm just going to use the Create Studio review here, right? So as you can see right now, mine is ranked at #1, Create Studio review. Okay, so this is generating all my sales right now. Now, it's not to say that I'm generating other sales elsewhere for my email marketing, but I track this so I know where all my sales are coming from. They're coming from this video right here from YouTube. So As you can see, I'm number 1. But to be sure, you want to open up a new incognito window, okay? So you come up here to your 3 dots and you choose New Incognito Window, okay? Now I'm gonna go back to YouTube again. And I'm gonna search for the same thing again. Create Studio Review. So as you can see, I'm still number 1, right? Even in incognito, which has no cookies or nothing like that that's targeted. So in your regular YouTube account, it's like it brings your listings higher than what they really are. Let me give you an example. Let me go to Boss Funnels. That was one of the products I've done as well. Boss Funnels Review. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th place under my account. Now let me go into the incognito window again. Okay, let's see where I'm at on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is showing me at 11. So that's, you see what I'm saying? It's not consistent. Over there, it was showing me at what, number 14? And that was my own account. And usually what your account will do for you is it'll make your video show up higher, usually. And in this case, it's like backwards. So it's good to check this to see where your stats are listed. Now, okay, so this is another way to see where your video is ranking if you're using this extension, okay? This is a Google Chrome extension that you can get. It's called vidIQ. There's also another one called TubeBuddy that you can use. It pretty much does the same thing. These are free, but you can upgrade if you want for more features. But as you can see right here, it'll tell you what number your video is ranking, right, in the position. So if I'm looking at Boss Funnels Review, it says 7. So that'll tell you as well, okay? So you can look at that. So that's pretty handy too, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be taught in a training. Like I said, I haven't gone through every single video because I don't have to, because it's the same thing that I already know because we've been taught by the same mentor. So all the trainings should be the same. However, if he doesn't show that in there, now you know if you're using this extension. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you that right quick. It's going to help you to understand and know where you're ranking so you know what you need to tweak. If you need to tweak some of the keywords in there, the description or whatnot. So yeah, that's going to help you guys as well. Let's get back to the sales page here. Go ahead and watch the video. Pretty much explains everything. You get simple step-by-step, 100% proven effective, fast results, no experience or technical skills required. Sick of collecting shiny objects that just don't work. If you want to just find the pieces that actually make money fast, then you're in the right place. So again, this is the same training that I know because we've been taught by the same mentor, so this stuff really works. As you can see, some screenshots here. So I'm not going to go through this whole sales page with you guys. You can read this on your own time, but I want to go over some other things. Here's some more screenshots. I always like to go over the bonuses just to show you what you're getting extra for picking this up. Okay, so here's some details of what's inside. All right, so here's some bonuses, guys, that you're going to get an extra $2,795 worth of bonuses. So it's more training. So from 0 to 124 hours, that's a really good training from Jono. El Bandito, some more good training there. And the Secret Weapon, some more training from Jono Armstrong. And the Lindgren's Lazy Method. So all of these courses I already went through. They're all good. Okay, so 100% money back guarantee, guys. You're going to get 30 days risk-free. Go ahead and try it out. Okay, so the price is going to be $7.95, guys, for the front end, which we're going to go over the upsells right now. Okay, so that's going to wrap up the sales page. Let's take a look at the upsells. So the collector front end for $7.95, as I just showed you on the sales page. So you're going to learn how to make money online using the hidden pieces of the puzzle that he's collected from the gurus over a number of years, 6 years in fact, that he's systemized into a formula to make daily income online. So even if you're a beginner with 0 skills and 0 experience, you can do this, because I do it as well. And it's the same training that I know. So upgrade number 1 is the Collector Pro, $27. So this is advanced training where I show you everything I've learned that works since I started online in 2014, includes free and paid traffic strategies and insider secrets to the affiliate marketing game. Okay, so for upgrade number 1 here, the Collector Pro edition, I'm going to show you inside the members area for that as well, since I have access. Okay, so upgrade number 2 is the Collector Effortless Info Products. This is for $97. You're going to discover the number 1 guru secret that will supercharge your own personal economy by exploding your earnings by creating digital assets. Okay, so upgrade 2.5, this is Limitless Traffic. It's at $197 with a $97 down sale. So 100 people is going to be able to siphon the traffic directly from one of his mentor's sales pages. And that person is a top Warrior Plus affiliate and a vendor. Okay, so upgrade number 3 is Reseller Rights. Okay, so $47 for that. So you're going to be able to sell the Collector as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel, right? Upgrade number 4 is coaching for $97. So you're going to receive 2 to 3 Skype or Zoom coaching sessions with him, and you're going to have email and Facebook support for a full month where he's going to help you with anything regarding internet marketing. Okay, so that about wraps it up for the upsells. Let's go ahead now to the members area. Okay, on the top menu bar, you have dashboard, Facebook group, and log out. So you can join the Facebook group here. You got the welcome video right here. And then you have overview video. You have a case study right here. You have the main training. So you get introduction, essential tools, launch jacking 1 and 2. How to grow your business with email marketing, video review structure, and uploading and ranking your videos. Then you have some resources in here and a conclusion video in here with next steps. And you can access the bonuses right here. And for your upgrades, you can come in here just in case you missed anything when you went through the sales process while checking this out. You can get that in here as well. And some unannounced bonuses as well in here. Okay, so now I want to take you into the other members area, which is the upgrade number 1, the Collector Pro edition for $27. So let's have a look at that. All right, again, you're going to have dashboard and Facebook group. So I'm thinking that this is another Facebook group. I'm not sure, guys. So you may want to click here and join that one as well, because it may be a special one for this particular upgrade. I'm not certain on that. It may be just the same one. But just check that out. All right, let's take a look at the modules here. So module number 1, you have start here, welcome, overview, and 0 to super affiliate. Module number 2 is the launch jacking. So these are the same videos that you found in the front end for the launch jacking stuff. Module number 3 is getting to 50 plus sales. So you have getting to 50 plus sales overview, the strategy, why you're not getting approved, picking your offers to promote, setting up your own website, setting up an autoresponder, landing page and bridge pages setup, case study, paid traffic method 1, method 2. Okay, then you're going to get module number 4 here, more affiliate secrets, building a buyer's list, affiliate marketing game, product launch formula, and products to promote with license rights. Going to show you some in here, and again some resources. Then you have a conclusion video and upgrades if you wanted to get to the upgrades again and get some of the other upgrades as well. So that's pretty much what we have inside here. So this is what the members area is going to look like for your OTO1, guys. So now let me go ahead and show you the bonuses I have for this particular offer. Okay, so these are my custom bonuses, guys. These are created from scratch. They're usually video training, but every now and then I'll throw in a PDF in there, quick start guide, a cheat sheet, or something like that. But these are usually complementary to the product that I'm promoting. So these are going to help you broaden your horizons to help you learn even more with the training that you're already going to get from the product. So let's go over these bonuses right quick. So bonus number 1 is YouTube Cash. This is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. Okay, I'm not going to read all these bullet points, but you can do that on your own time. So bonus number 2 is Secret Hacks. This is video training on some awesome hacks to increase your online commissions. Bonus number 3 is how to implement autoresponder sequences and automation. So I'm going to show you the secrets behind email marketing and how to set up a money funnel on autopilot. So in this training, I take you into my autoresponder in the back end. You see how I set up for cold traffic, how I set up for warm and hot traffic, and how I automate all of this stuff so I don't have to do that much work once it's all set up. Okay, so pretty cool training, right? Bonus number 4 is the conceptual system. So you're gonna learn the secrets of making money with every content you put up online. I usually put this one in every freaking product that I promote because it shows my entire business model in a structure on a whiteboard and how I use that business model to put my affiliate marketing business and my launch business together and to make a lot more money, okay? So it's really cool training, check it out. Bonus number 5 is color psychology and marketing. You're gonna learn how to decode colors and use them to your advantage when it comes to marketing. So this is really cool training as well, and it's good to know this stuff because the more knowledge you have, the more power you have, right? So yeah, what I teach in here is about color psychology, and I also teach about things you get in the mail, which I'm showing right here in this image, that you can relate to your own digital marketing online. So it's really cool training. Check that out as well. Bonus number 6 is Instagram monetization checklist. So here's one of those times when I throw that checklist in there, or it could be a quick start guide or a cheat sheet or something like that. So here's one of them right here. You're gonna learn how to monetize your Instagram account and turn it into a sales machine. All right, that's gonna wrap up the bonuses, guys. You can see all the values and how much everything is worth right here. So it's 322 extra value when you order through my link today. So the next question you might have is, how do I get these bonuses? So let me show you right quick how you pick them up. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the page here on the bonus page, if you haven't seen the bonus page yet, guys, just look in the YouTube description. You'll see the link that goes to this bonus page. And then what I need you to do next is to click on one of the blue buttons on this page so that it'll take you to the sales page and you can check out. You need to do this so you can be cookied, so that way once you use my link, it's going to know in the back end of Warrior Plus which bonus to give you, okay? Which bonus link that you're going to get. So that's very important. Make sure you do that before you just go to the sales page and check out. So here's how to find your bonuses, guys. You go to Warrior Plus and log into your account. Click on your name right here in the little drop down tab and then look for purchase history. Click on that. Step 2, it's going to take you to the next page. You're going to see a list of all the products that you purchased. Click on the product that you just purchased, and then it'll take you to step 3, which is the page where you can access your purchase for that product, as well as get my bonuses by clicking on this blue button. So that's how you find your bonuses. So that's going to wrap up this video review on the collector. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.